at the wrecking yard looking for a driver's side exterior door handle for a Chevy Cruze. This is a 2013 Chevy Cruze, and I'm going to be removing the door handle. It is super easy. All you have to do is remove this cover right here, and there's a T20 bolt in there. You loosen up the bolt and this part pops out. You screw the bolt back in, and then you're able to remove the handle part. And let me show you. First thing I'm going to do is remove this cover for the bolts. This takes a T20 Torx, but you can use an Allen wrench if you don't have one with you. And just loosen that up. Okay, loosen that bolt up right there, and then this part just comes right out. And then you're going to tighten the bolt back up. Which allows you to remove the door handle. And when you get to this part right here, you just give it a nice little tug, and it just comes right out. The cap just pops right off. Alright, if you're going to reinstall this, you want to put the first part in, and then there's a little white plastic piece. You want to get a piece of string or old wire. You want to get a piece of string or wire and pull that little white piece out. You get a piece of string or wire and pull that piece right there out. You want to make sure that's on the other side of the hook of the door handle. And you push it in, pull the string out, and then you got it working.